Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. So here are the most important LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs. Just see the LAQs first. Describe the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Describe the structure and life cycle of Ascaris lumbricoides with the help of a neat and labeled diagram. Describe the blood circulatory system of Periplaneta in detail and draw a neat and labeled diagram. Describe the digestive system in Periplaneta with diagram. Describe lake as an ecosystem, giving examples for the various zones and the biotic components. Depict different types of food chains that exist in an ecosystem. So that's it, students. These are the most important LAQs. Now let us see the most important SAQs. Define species, explain various aspects of species, explain Rivet-Popper hypothesis, explain Haivision system, describe the structure of a multipolar neuron. What is the class to which flukes belong? Write short notes on the chief characteristics of that group. What are the chief characters of crustaceans? Compare and contrast cartilaginous and bony fishes. What are the modifications that are observed in birds that help them in flight? Describe the process of transverse binary fission in Paramecium. Describe the process of longitudinal binary fission in Euglena. What are the adverse effects of tobacco? Prevention is better than cure. Justify with regard to TDA abuse. Draw a neat label diagram of the mouth parts of cockroach. Draw a neat label diagram of Ommatidium. What is summer stratification? Explain. Describe the greenhouse effect. Now let us see the VSAQs. What is trinomial nomenclature? Give an example. What does ICSN stand for? Mention the animals that exhibit a tube within a tube organization for the first time. Mention any two substances secreted by mast cells and their function. What are the functions of canal system of sponges? What is Aristotle's lantern? Give an example of an animal possessing it. Name 4 extra embryonic membranes. List any two differences between milt and spawn. List any two differences between flagellum and cilium. What do you mean by parasitic castration? Give one example. The eggs of Ascaris are called mummillated eggs. Justify. Why is the head of a cockroach called hypognathus? What is storage excretion? What are circadian rhythms? Mention the advantages of UV rays to us.